Hello, I'm Martin Miltone. I'm the Director of the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, the BIPM. I've been working with my colleague Anthony Donnellan, the Director of the International Organization of Legal Metrology, to prepare World Metrology Day for 2022. World Metrology Day is celebrated each year on the 20th of May, which was the day in 1875 when 17 nations came together in Paris to sign the Meter Convention. The theme chosen for World Metrology Day in 2022 is Metrology in the Digital Era. The adoption of digital technology is revolutionizing our society. It's improving processes and opening new opportunities. Digital transformation is one of the most exciting trends in society today, driving the rapid pace of change that we experience every day. One of the cornerstones of this digital transformation is the open and transparent exchange of information. Whenever information is needed, it must be easy to find and easy to access in a format that is both interoperable and reusable. Data that meet these requirements are what are now known as being fair, that's F-A-I-R. That is, they must be findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. When these requirements are met, data can be recognized as being trustworthy and can underpin open data practices. In order to maximize the efficiency with which information is used in the new digital world, it's essential that all sources of information should not only be readable by humans, but also be available in formats that can be read by machines. When this is the case, data might also be acted upon by machines, which is what we call being machine actionable. And then they can be used as the basis for new applications, such as in artificial intelligence. The opportunities brought by digital transformation will be realized more quickly if the global quality infrastructure can be adapted to promote and use new digital technologies that generate and use digital data that is fair. Amongst the central components of the national and international quality infrastructure is metrology, the science of measurement in its application, which is already starting to support the requirements of the new digital economy. A leading example of the actions to support the digital transformation is the work of the CIPM to develop an SI digital framework. This framework will be based on a core representation of the SI, including agreed formats for basic data elements, including values, units, and uncertainties based on the SI brochure. It will enable the implementation of new services by the NMIs, by the BIPM, and by other organizations that make best use of open data formats, of software tools, and of services that build upon the SI core representation. Such services will enable data to be available for analysis, to improve the quality of that data, and to improve its transparency. The outcome of the SI digital framework will be new digital applications developed and deployed in the broader metrology community and in research disciplines that rely on the use of the SI system. The application of digital measurement frameworks to industry and consumers is integral to an inclusive and trusted digital transformation. The incorporation of digital principles and practices in documentary standards and in technical regulations from the outset is an area that the OIML is examining. A digital certificate of conformity that adheres to the FAIR principles is part of this development. The digital transformation of metrology will bring many benefits in this way to our community. For example, it can expedite time to market for measurement products and sciences and reduce delays associated with approval processes. In turn, all of these will contribute to innovation, to the development of agile products, and to sustainability. For the BIPM and the OIML, the journey towards achieving the goal of digitalisation will be twofold. We will transition our own activities and services, which will in turn provide the digital foundation for all users of measurement data. This is a journey that is going to be progressive and fascinating, and one that we look forward to going along in step with our stakeholders. Thank you for joining us to celebrate World Metrology Day in 2022.